Hi everyone, welcome to my messy backyard. Me and Ziggy have just got back from a walk. Can't have anything nice. And I just wanted to get a quick video done today of Ziggy. He's so cute. Oh, we don't play fetch here, we play chase. You'll run in the house. Can I have that? I think I run away. I run away. And then he'll come and follow me. Can I have that? The thing is, I really love chasing him, so I don't teach him fetch. He does play it sometimes. Whoa, a head turn. Whoosh, he's so quick. Right, we've got him trapped in a corner now. Everybody, run. I need to swap hands because I can't feel well. Come on, Ziggy. Zig! Oh, that was fun while it lasted. Anyways, today I'm going to cook a boiled egg for Ziggy because when he eats it, the reaction is so funny. He's going to find his ball again. See? Now he knows I've put it down. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, if you want to see Ziggy eating a boiled egg, hang on. Here is the boiled egg. Do you like boiled eggs? I taught him to speak for food, but now he does it when I don't want him to. Shh, quiet. Oh, he just burped. This is why I didn't put it on a plate. Oh. He loves the yolk. Oh, maybe not. That's my parrot, by the way. Nummies. Oh.